Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel and welcome to a new video. So today is day 12 of daily 5 arithmetic series, so targeting Sbi 2024. So let's get started. The ratio of the speed of train A and B is 5:4 respectively, and the length of the train A is 165 meter, and train A crosses the train B in 72 seconds while moving in the same direction and crosses a pole in 6.6 seconds. So what is the length of the train B? So here, as we can see, the speed of train A and B is given, that is 5:4. Okay, and also they had given the length of the train A, which is 165 meter, and it it and also here they had given it crosses a pole in 6.6 seconds. Okay, so 165 divided by 6.6, so that will give you 25 meter per second, which is the speed of the train A. Okay, and also, so if the speed of the train A is 25 meter per second, therefore the speed of the train B will be 20 meter per second. Therefore and also in the question they have mentioned that train A crosses train B in 72 seconds. Okay, so here we have the length of the train A and we don't know the length of the train B, so that divided by 5, that is equal to 72. So if I solve this, I will get L is equal to 360 minus 165, and the length of the train B will be 195 meter. So next question, a circular ring is cut and is bent in the form of rectangle, and the radius of the ring was 22 centimeter, and sides of the rectangle formed are in the ratio of 7:4. The larger side of the rectangle is. So initially this circular ring is cut and bent into the form of rectangle, means there is no change in the area. Okay, so area or volume, so just they have cutted the circular ring, means so that will be perimeter of the rectangle will be equal to the circumference of the circle. So we know that the perimeter of the rectangle will be 2L plus B. So here they have given the ratio, that is 7 plus 4 will be 11x. So that is equal to circumference of the circle will be at 2 pi r. So this is 22 divided by 7 into 2 into 21. Therefore that will give you x is equal to 6, and larger side of the rectangle will be 7 6 are 42 centimeter. So next question, a 220 meter long train crosses a man running in the opposite direction in 11 seconds, and the man crosses a 100 meter long tunnel in 25 seconds. So then in what time the train will cross the same tunnel? So here we know that the speed of the train A will be equal to here we don't know what is the speed of the train, so that's why I have taken it as A. And here what we have is the distance, means that is the length of the train, that is 220 meter, and that is divided by A plus 4, because it moves in the opposite direction and it crosses a man. Okay, so that will be equal to 11. So from this I will get A is equal to 16, and here how we got 4 is, so 100 divided by 25, which is the speed of the man. Okay, and therefore the train in what time the train will cross the same tunnel? So same tunnel means 220 is the length of the train, and the length of the tunnel will be 100, and that divided by 16 is equal to 20 seconds. Next, investment of P and Q is Z and 15,000 respectively. After 6 months, Q withdraws 40% of the amount. The profit earned by Q at the end of the 1 year is 240% that of P. So what is the value of Z? So this is the common partnership problem. So initially they had given the in what ratio they're gonna invest, means P and Q. So Z it invests Z rupees for 12 months, and Q invest 15,000 for 6 months. So later it withdraws 40 percentage, means it will be remained with 9,000, and it will invest for 6 more months. Okay, so that is Z is to 12,000. Fine. So Z divided by 12,000 will be equal to 100 by 240, because the investment of Q at the end of the year will be 240 percentage, means the profit will be 240 percentage of the P. So that's why I have written this ratio. Therefore Z will be equal to 5,000, which is the value of Z. Question: the average of four numbers is 56. The average of the larger two numbers is 21 more than the average of smaller two numbers. If among the smaller two numbers one is a 3 more than the other, then find the smallest number. Okay, so initially we don't know which will be the smallest number, so I have taken it as A, and another smaller number is 3 more than that, means A plus 3. Okay, so in that in the question they have mentioned that the average of larger two numbers is 21 more than that of the average of those small two numbers. Okay, so here this will be a first smaller number, and this is second smaller number. So their average will be equal to, means have simplified this, that is 2A plus 3, and we have two larger numbers average. So that is the average of the two numbers is 21, and that is more than that of the average of the smaller numbers. So that is 2A plus 3 by 2. So and we have the total average, that is 56, and that too for the four numbers. So that will be equal to A is equal to 44. So which is the smallest number, because initially we have taken the smallest number as A, and here we got the value for A. So that will be equal to 44. So I think that's it. So I am done with this today's daily 5 arithmetic series. So thanks for watching. Please to subscribe and support for more videos like this, and follow Bankingspark.